For Glasgow by Catfish and the Bottlemen, we have the capo on the 7th fret, and we are in standard tuning. And we're going to start off with this A minor 7 chord. We have first finger, first fret of the B relative to the capo, and the second finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, again relative to capo. We're going to play the A string twice for the intro, and then we're going to use the right hand fingers 1, 2 and 3 on the D, G and B strings to pick up on those. So thumb plays the bass note on the A string twice. Fingers 1, 2 and 3 pick up on the D, G and B strings. We'll then play bass on the A, fingers on the D, G and B before playing the bass note again. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We'll then go to the open strings with no fingers at all and play all of the strings A, D, G and B together. This is thumb 1, 2, 3 on the right hand. And then we'll play bass, fingers, bass, fingers, bass. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So A minor 7, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Open, 2 and 3 and 4. We'll then go back to the A minor 7 chord. This time we're going to play all of the notes together again. And from now on we'll play all of the notes together on the first beat. It's literally just for the intro where we just play the bass note twice. So we'll go to that A minor 7 chord all together. 2 and 3 and 4. All together, bass, fingers, bass, bass. And back to the open strings. Same as the first time. So the whole intro start there. We'll then go to a little C major chord, relative to capo obviously. And we've got 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the A string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the D string. And we're going to play the G string as well here. So we're playing A, D and G together. Bass, fingers this time is just D and G. And then bass, fingers, bass. So together, bass, fingers, bass, fingers, bass. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We're then going to repeat this exact pattern but change the chord. So we take the 1st finger off and just leave 3rd fret on the A string, together, bass. Same picking pattern. So we've got together, 3 and 2, off. We're then going to put the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, same picking pattern, and then go back to 3 and 2. So we've got 3 and 2, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1st finger off, 3 and 3, 3 and 2. Then we go back through A minor to open. This time we're going to play the whole chord on the first beat. 3 and 2, open, 3 and 3, 3 and 2. That's the whole intro. The chord progression for the verse is exactly the same as for the intro. We just don't have the double bass note to start, we just go straight to the full chord. For the little pre-chorus section, we're going to go down to like an E minor chord really. 2nd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G, all together, bass, fingers, bass, fingers, bass. Again here we're just picking D and G with the fingers. This is going to happen twice. Then down to 2 and 1, with 1st fret on the D here. Again for 2 bars, same pick in. Then we go to open on the D, so the 2nd finger stays on the 2nd fret of the A throughout this. Until this point here, where we go to 4 on the A and 2 on the D. So we've got 2 and 2, 2 and 1, 2 and open, 4 and 2. We're then going to go to 3 and 2, so we're just dropping down one kind of fret on the A string here. Just one bar, up to 5 and 4, same fingering. And then 5 and 5. So 3, 2 and open, up 2 frets to 5, 4 and open, then 5, 5 and open for 2 bars. And the whole pre-chorus. For the mid-8 section at 1 minute 43, we're starting off with this A minor 7 chord again, normal picking, whole chord, bass, fingers, bass, fingers, bass, the open strings, and to open A, 4th fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, and we're going to play together, bass, fingers, bass, fingers, bass for 2 bars. Then down to 2 on the A, open D, open G, together, bass, fingers, bass, bass, play this twice. Then we're going to go to 3, open, open, and as we pick them all once, we'll hammer onto the 2nd fret on the D string. So we're just picking once, and hammering on, then bass, fingers, bass. Do the same again for a 2nd bar. Back to the A minor 7. Open, 4 and 2. 2 and open. With the hammer on. This is actually going to happen 3 times, and the 4th time we're just going to pick A, D and G with the 3, 2 and open already down and leave it to ring. So the whole mid-8 fairly slowly.